Hey everybody, Andrew here. I'm gonna put some chopped up leaves on our fruit trees for mulch. Now fall is a great time to do this because, well, obviously there's a lot of leaves around, but it also gives the leaves a chance to break down around the fruit trees to add more nutrients to the soil as the trees wake back up in the coming spring. Now when it comes to using leaves around your fruit trees for mulch, there's a couple things you want to think about. First, you want to try to avoid using black walnut leaves. These can add some unwanted toxins around your trees. I'm surrounded by oak trees here, so that won't be a problem. Now the other thing you want to think about is to avoid using whole leaves around your trees as mulch. This will impede water from getting to your soil. So what I'll use is this lawnmower with a mulcher or bagger, and that's how I'll chop up the leaves. Now when you mulch around the trees, you don't need a super thick layer. Too much leaf mulch can be a bad thing. The other thing you want to make sure you do is to clear all mulch away from the base of the tree, especially on young trees. This will help prevent diseases forming on the trunk of your fruit tree. Remember, don't mix these leaves into the soil. You just want to lay them on top so they can break down naturally. I'm hoping this spring we'll see a lot of earthworms around this tree. Now the last step will be to water the mulch down. This will help prevent it from blowing away, and it shows you how much mulch you actually have around your fruit tree. One tree down, several more to go. For more growing tips and to get your own fruit trees, head over to starkbros.com.